Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to play the song Snooze by SZA. I did make a mistake in my short and I called it SZA, but I was corrected by one of the people who watched the video and said the name is SZA. So thank you for that correction. The song is pretty simple. It's 3 chords and I'm just going to show you how to get the notes that are in that song, the plucking pattern. So let's get into it. So the song is pretty simple. It's just 3 chords. So D minor, E minor, F, major 7. So D minor 7, E minor 7, F. That's how I'm playing on the guitar. So let's start with how you pick those chords so you get that kind of riffy chord thing that is in the song. So you pluck your A string as you hold in the B at the D minor. You pluck your A string, then your G string, then your B string. So like that. Then your E minor would be just you pluck the A string and the B string. So 2, 2, just that pattern. Then your F, you just strum it out. So I'll do it slowly. So I'll try and do it to speed. 1, 2. So that's how to get that sound for that song on the guitar. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope to check you out in my next one. See you guys. Bye.